I'll show you how to put Tapcons into concrete block, and it's very easy and quick. Since we're working with 2x boards, we're going to be using 2 3/4 length Tapcons because we have about 1.5 inches of board length and then maybe another 1.5 inches of concrete block behind that. So 2 3/4 is a good length. Typically, whenever you buy Tapcons, it's going to come with the drill bit that you need to drill these holes. But there is another size pretty close to this that if you drill with that, it's going to be a lot harder to put the Tapcon in and it won't fit. It's usually best just to use the drill bit that comes with the Tapcon. We only need one bit for this, and we're going to drill through the wood with this Tapcon bit. We're going to drill through the wood, and then we're going to pull out, because then all the wood shavings, which this isn't made for, are going to fall out. Then we can go straight into the concrete block. Even though I want to say that one of these cordless hammer drills is going to work, it has a hammer function right there to go through concrete block, it just doesn't have the power or the speed to effectively go through the concrete. So this is just a cheap, this is from Harbor Freight. It's a Chicago Electric we've had for years, and it just goes through it no problem, and it works great. Whenever you pre-drill the hole for the Tapcon, you gotta make sure that it goes long enough. I drilled the whole length of this drill bit, and that gives me a little bit of slack at the bottom. So I just measure my Tapcon. I know that there is enough length on the drill bit that I just drilled. Something that speeds it up a lot is a little impact driver like this. This is a 5/16 hex, and that fits right on these Tapcons. That speeds it up a lot, but it is possible to put it on with just a flathead screwdriver. And that is really nice. That's a solid fit, and I mean, really it took like a minute to put that in there.